Hello and welcome to Covfed Kitchen. I'm Chef William. Today we will be showing you how to cook tomahawk steaks with all the fixings. Cool. So this is a tomahawk steak that we got from our local grocer. It looks really nice.
Why'd you pick that, dude?
Because I love tomahawk steaks.
So, how are we going to prepare our meat today?
We are going to grill this today.
Sweet.
Very delicately.
Why are you so awkward?
You told me I couldn't cuss.
It's all good. It's all good. Let's go. So how are we going to do this? So we got to season this?
Yeah, so we're going to salt and pepper this, and then we're going to do fresh herbs on the grill.
Love it. So is there a technique to salting things?
Evenly coat with whatever seasoning you're using. That way you don't hit a pocket of salt here and a pocket of pepper there.
Dig it. So you're going to play with your salt or you're going to season it?
I was waiting on you.
I'm waiting. Go for it, dude. Season that bad boy. It's beautiful. You're not shy about that salt. I love it. Putting that pepper on. Love it.
Now here's the trick to a tomahawk steak.
The sides. Oh, aren't you fancy? So he's like rolling it. Same thing, love it.
Evenly seasoned.
Perfect. Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
Just say it out loud. We're gonna do a voiceover. It's okay. Just say it out loud what you're doing, so we know.
Adding fresh herbs for aromatics to the bottom here. Rosemary. Thyme. You're gonna take the steak, lay it on top, and you're done.
Please tell me you're joking, right?
No.
Okay. Is it even like hot?
It has to like, I thought it was hotter than that. I mean, it has to like.
Wait. And action.
Take it off the bone, very important.
All right, hey guys, this is Covfed Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a quick and simple flatbread pizza, something that literally will take you no time at all, and the best part is no yeast involved. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2 cups of flour plus 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and we're going to put it into our food processor. All right. And then we're going to be adding in 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and we also have about a teaspoon of, or a pinch of salt. All right, so put in our things for our food processor, and we're going to turn on. So. This is done mixing. So we're gonna take this out of our food processor, put it onto a little roll pat, and we're going to kind of knead it. So just folding it, pressing it, folding it, pressing it. Super important. We don't want to add too much flour because we don't want this to dry out. We want this to kind of come in nice and smooth. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna cut this into two using our hands. Nothing too fancy. All right. Awesome. So we're going to spread out our pizza dough. Grab a rolling pin. I'm gonna roll it. Turn it. Gonna roll it. Turn it. We're gonna really push in there all the way to the edges. And turn. Roll. Turn. Roll. All right. So we have our pizza. We're gonna get our preheated pan. Be careful, it's hot. So this has been in the oven, 425 for about 15 minutes, nice and hot. All right, super important, we start the pan off hot. We're gonna get our marinara sauce. Get these all the way to the edges. So we're gonna get our veggies in. So we have red onion. Just spread them out nice and gently. A little goes a long way. Get our pepperoni. These are a little freezer burned, but it's all right. Right now we're going through this crisis, so we can't really be picky. If it's a little freezer burnt, we'll be all right. Just cover with some cheese. And then we have our mozzarella. We're just gonna break it up with our hands. Just get it right in there. Kind of cover, break it up. This house is being perfumed. It's looking good. All right, so mozzarella out. Don't be afraid of getting on a little bit of pepperoni because I love that like little burnt piece of cheese on top of pepperoni. And this is going to go in the oven 425 for about 8 minutes. Here we have the pizza stone. This is going to keep the heat in there. That's super important. So we're going to throw this in there right in the middle. 8 minutes, 425 or 450. Let this cook for 8 minutes. All right, so pizza is ready. Is it focused on my face?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, so pizza's ready. You want to make sure the bottom nice and crispy, nice and toasty on the bottom. All the cheese melty, a little bit crunchy, a little bit of burnt. Okay, if it's a little bit burnt. Other than that, this bad boy's ready to go. Let's hear that crunch. Oh yeah. Turn it. That's pretty bomb. So, if you guys like this recipe, make sure you share with your friends, tell your people about it, and understand this, even though we are stuck in our houses, doesn't mean you can't eat good food. Thank you for watching.